Good morning, dear students. Welcome back to the class. We are studying our lesson that is playing with numbers. Okay, we are studying playing with numbers. Okay, in the previous lecture, tell me what I taught you. What I taught you? I taught you about the test for divisibility. है ना, हम लोगों ने क्या पढ़ा है? Test for divisibility. Then which numbers divisibility? किन numbers के divisibility rules हमें पता है? बोलो. Yes, we have studied about the divisibility by 2, 3, which numbers? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, we have studied about the divisibility by 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now, tell me, what is the divisibility by 2? Divisibility by 2 का जो रूल है या जो डिविजिबिलिटी बाय 2 का जो टेस्ट है वो क्या है? टेल मी. यस, वी हैव टू चेक द यूनिट प्लेस ऑफ द गिवन नंबर. इफ इन द यूनिट प्लेस ऑफ द गिवन नंबर देयर आर द नंबर्स और द डिजिट्स 0, 2, 4, 6 और 8. अगर किसी भी दिए गए नंबर में यूनिट प्लेस में, दैट मीन्स एंडिंग वाला जो डिजिट है, अगर वो आपका 0, 2, 4, 6 या 8 होता है, then that number is divisible by 2. Then that number is divisible by 2. So what is the property of 2 or what is the divisibility by 2? If the number ends on the digits that is 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, then that number is divisible by 2. Okay. Then how to check if the given number is divisible by 3 or not? Tell me how to check the given number is divisible by 3 or not. So, if we have to check if the given number is divisible by 3 or not, then what we do? We add the digits of that number. What we have to do? We have to add all the digits of that number. If your addition sum is equals to the multiple of 3, that means multiple of 3 means if your answer or your sum is divisible by 3, then you say that your given number is divisible by 3. So 3 की divisibility क्या है? अगर आपके दिए गए नंबर के सारे डिजिट्स का एडिशन 3 का मल्टीपल होता है तो आप ये बोलोगे कि जो दिया गया नंबर है वो कंप्लीटली 3 से डिविजिबल होगा. ठीक है. Then what is the divisibility by 4? Tell me what is the divisibility by 4? Yes, if the number ends with the 2 consecutive zeros. अगर किसी नंबर के लास्ट में 2 जीरो होते हैं या फिर the last 2 digits are exactly divisible by 4. Okay, what is the property of 4 or the divisibility by 4? If the given number ends on a consecutive zero or the last 2 digits of that number are completely divisible by 4, then we say that the given number is divisible by 4. Okay, after that 5. What is the divisibility by 5? Divisibility by 5 is if the number ends on a 5 or 0, that means if at the unit place of a given number there is a number 5 or 0, then we say that the given number is divisible by 5. अगर किसी नंबर के लास्ट का डिजिट दैट मीन्स यूनिट प्लेस डिजिट इज 5 या 0 होगा तो हम बोलेंगे कि वो नंबर 5 से डिविजिबल होता है. ओके, आफ्टर दैट द डिविजिबिलिटी बाय 6. नाउ टेल मी व्हाट इज द डिविजिबिलिटी बाय 6? डिविजिबिलिटी बाय 6 इज इफ द गिवन नंबर follows the divisibility test for 2 and 3. that means अगर दिया गया नंबर 2 और 3 की divisibility को क्लियर करता है या फॉलो करता है, then you say that the given number is divisible by 6 also. that means if you have to check the divisibility by 6, you have to check the divisibility by 2 and 3. remember that both the divisibility, that is divisibility by 2 and divisibility by 3, both must be followed. that means ऐसा नहीं हो सकता कि अगर कोई नंबर 2 की divisibility फॉलो कर रहा है और 3 की नहीं कर रहा है तो वो 6 से भी डिवाइड नहीं होगा. दोनों भी, that means 2 की divisibility as well as 3 की divisibility दोनों भी क्लियर होनी चाहिए. Okay, now after the 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 we are by 7. Divisibility by 7. So if you have to check the given number is divisible by 7 or not, then what you have to do? First, double the unit place number. जो भी नंबर आपके यूनिट प्लेस पे है उसका क्या करोगे? डबल. You have to find out the twice of that number or double of that number. Okay. After finding the double of the ending digit, the remaining number that remain in that given number, you have to subtract them from the product. That is the double you find out, you have to subtract the number from them. Suppose, for example, suppose the given number is 119. Okay, this is your example. Okay, your number is 119. Then I tell you about that. If you have to find out the double of the number that is at your unit place, you have to find out the double of this number. And what is the double of 9? Double of 9 means you have to find out the 9 into 2. 9 into 2 is equals to 18. 9 into 2 is equals to 18. क्या किया हमने? जो नंबर गिवन था उसके यूनिट प्लेस पे जो डिजिट है उसका हमने क्या किए है? डबल. ठीक है. डबल करने के बाद अगर आपका जो आंसर आया है आपको उसको याद रखना है. ठीक है. अब अगर आपने लास्ट डिजिट का डबल निकाल लियो तो जो रिमेनिंग नंबर अब बचेगा. रिमेनिंग नंबर क्या है आपका? 11. The remaining number is 11. So you have to subtract these 11 from 18. You have to subtract 11 from 18. So your answer is 18 minus 11. So 18 minus 11 is equals to how much? 18 minus 11 is equals to how much? Tell me. 18 minus 11 is equals to how much? 18 minus 11 is equals to 7. 18 minus 11 is equals to 7. So if you have to check the given number is divisible by 7 or not, then find out the double of the ending digit. Find out the double of the ending digit and you have to subtract the remaining number from that given number. Okay? Is it clear? And if your difference, that means the minus करने के बाद जो आपका आंसर आया उसे हम क्या बोलते हैं? डिफरेंस. इफ योर डिफरेंस इज अ मल्टीपल ऑफ 7, इफ योर डिफरेंस इज अ मल्टीपल ऑफ 7, then you say that the given number is divisible by 7. Okay. Now after that we are checking the divisibility by 8. Okay. So what is the divisibility by 8? It is same as divisibility by 4. Divisibility by 8 is same as divisibility by 4. Okay, then what is the divisibility by 4? Divisibility by 4 is if in the last two places there is a consecutive 0 or if the last two digits is divisible by 4, then we say that the given number is divisible by 4. In the same way, if in the last three places, okay, अगर आपका कोई नंबर गिवन है सपोज 145 and 000, if in the last three places if there are consecutive zeros, if in the last three places there are a consecutive 0, then you say that that number is divisible by 8. Then you say that the number is divisible by 8. Okay, and instead of that, if 1 4 5 2 1 6. Okay, if the last three digits are divisible by 8, आपको जो लास्ट के 3 डिजिट में जो 3 डिजिट से जो नंबर बन रहा है अगर वो 8 से डिविजिबल है, then you have to say that the given number is divisible by 8 if in the last three places if there are the consecutive zeros or the given number or the last three digits are the divisible by 8, then you say that the given number is divisible by 8. Then you say that the given number is divisible by 8. Okay. Now after that, should I give some examples for divisibility by 8? 100. Since there are 3 zeros in the last 3 places, we say that the given number is divisible by 8. Okay, after that 3, 2, 5, 4, 4, 4. These are the last 3 digits. You have to try to find out the quotient of this. That is 444 divided by 8. That means you divide the last 3 digits by 8. So what will be your answer? 8 5s are 40. 8 5s are 40. So what will be your difference here? If you subtract 40 from 44, your answer is 4. Your answer is 4. Okay, your answer is 4. And after that, if you write down this 4 here, and if you divide this, then 8 5s are 40 again. 8 5s are 40 again. Your remainder is 4. Since there is remaining remainder, there is a remainder of 4. In this number, your remainder is 4. That means this number is not divisible by 8 and this number is divisible by 8. Okay, I will take one more example, that is 142 008. That is 142008. Now in this there are the last 3 digits, that is 008. You have to find out the quotient of this. That means you have to try to divide it. Okay, that means 008 divided by 8. Then 8 zeros are 0. Again 8 zeros are 0 and 8 ones are 8. 8 ones are 8. So since if you divide 008 by 8, your answer, that means your remainder is 0. That means this last 3 numbers is divisible by 8. Then you say that this number is divisible by 8. Then you say that this number is divisible by 8. Okay. Now what we have studied, the divisibility by 7. What is the divisibility by 7? If you find out the twice or the double of the last digit. Okay, twice or double of the last digit and the remaining number formed by the other digits. If you find out the difference between them, if the difference is a multiple of 7 or a 0, then we say that the given number is divisible by 7. And what about 8? If in the last 3 places, if there are consecutive zeros or the last 3 digits is exactly divisible by 8, then we say that the given number is divisible by 8. Now divisibility by 9. Okay. What is divisibility by 9? Divisibility by 9 is same as divisibility by 3. Just like the divisibility by 8 is same as divisibility by 4. याद रखना है आपको, divisibility by 8 4 की divisibility जैसे है और 9 का जो divisibility है वो 3 की divisibility जैसे. Okay, and what is the divisibility by 3? The divisibility by 3 is you have to add the digits of the given number. If your answer is a multiple of 3, then you say that the given number is divisible by 3. In the same way, if you add the digits of the given number and if your sum is a multiple of 9, then you say that the given number is multiplied with 9 or divisible by 9. Okay, so suppose we are taking the example of it. Example of it is 8 7 4 5. 8 7 4 3 5. This is your number and you have to check if this number is divisible by 9 or not. Then what will you do? You add the digits of this number. You have to add the digits of this number. What will be the addition of all the digits? Tell me. 8 plus 7 plus 4 plus 3 plus 5. Okay. Now 8 plus 7 is equals to 15. 15 plus 4 is equals to 15 plus 4 is equals to 19 and 19 plus 3 is equals to 19 plus 3 is equals to 22. Yes, and 22 plus 5 is equals to 27. Now tell me, 27 is a multiple of 9 or not? You have to tell me 27 is a multiple of 9 or not. Multiple means that number comes in the table of 9. ठीक है, 9 के मल्टीपल्स मीन्स जो 9 के टेबल में आते हैं, 3 के मल्टीपल्स मीन्स जो 3 के टेबल में आते हैं. ठीक है, तो हमारा जो आंसर है दैट इज 27 इज अ मल्टीपल ऑफ 9. क्यों मल्टीपल ऑफ 9? क्योंकि वो 9 के टेबल में आता है. सो वी से दैट सिंस द addition or the sum of the digits of the given number is a multiple of 9, so we say that the given number is divisible by 9. The given number is divisible by 9. So again tell me, what is the divisibility by 8? Divisibility by 8 is if there are 3 consecutive zeros in the last, or if the last 3 digits is divisible by 8, then we say that the given number is divisible by 8. Okay, and what is the divisibility by 7? If we double the number, or we find out the double of the digit that is at the ending place and subtract the remaining number from that, and if our difference is a 0 or the multiple of 7, we say that the given number is divisible by 7. Now after that, divisibility of 9 is if the sum of the digits of the given number, what will I say? Sum of the digits of the given number is a multiple of 9. That means दिए गए नंबर के सारे digits का sum is a multiple of 9. Then we say that the given number is multiple of 9. Then we say that the given number is divisible by 9. So we complete the divisibility by 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Then the remaining 2 divisibilities, that is divisibility by 10 and 11, we will continue in our next lecture. Till then you have to practice it. Okay, so bye, have a nice day.